One thing that comes to my mind is that many people start their own company because they were pissed at their boss. So one day they just went in the boss's office. If they were a forthright guy, they did anyway, they looked him in the eye and they said, "I quit." And why? Because they just wanted to run their own company because they're tired of being told what to do. And that limits your growth. That's where I'm going with this. When you don't really have a reason to be self-employed, except you're tired of putting up with him, he's telling me what to do, I quit, then you're only going to grow so far because you don't really have the foundation to be something great. Your motivation was wrong. So I think that to grow, you have to have a reason to grow, not just, I want to have more money. It has to be much more than that, because the wealthy people I know don't really care about being wealthy. It's just a byproduct of their behavior, their habits. They just got wealthy by accident. It really wasn't their big goal. So my answer is, first start with, why are you running a company? What is your company all about? Where do you want to go with this company? And then it's easier to make decisions that'll help you get there, like delegating. But, delegating takes a lot of trust. And so you have to be the kind of guy that trusts other people, and they're going to make a mistake. And like Jack Welch, your story about him pointed out, when people make a mistake, that's part of their education. Are you the kind of guy that can let that happen and live with it? Or are you going to get all pissed off and say, you just wasted a bunch of my money, and fire them? So I think part of delegating is realizing that you're going to have to put up with people's mistakes. They're not going to do it the way you did it. And there's other ways to do things correctly.